Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. I hope that all you will find. So today in this video we will discuss about basic grammar. What is grammar? Firstly, grammar. It tells us about the right method of reading, writing and speaking. For example, I have gone to college. I have gone to college. So grammar tells us about the right method of reading, writing and speaking. But we cannot speak like that. Gone to college have I? It's wrong grammatically, but grammar tells us about the right method of reading, writing, and speaking. For example, I have gone to college. Secondly, language. It is a source of communication and allowing us to express thoughts, ideas, and emotions. However, language has four kinds. Firstly, local language. Local language is spoken in a particular area. Secondly, national language. National language is spoken across the country. Thirdly, foreign language. Foreign language is spoken outside from the country. International language. International language is spoken across the world. Like at present, our international language is English. In addition, predicate. After the subject, the rest part of a sentence is called predicate. For example, she come to school at 6 o'clock. In this sentence, she is subject with us, but come to school at 6 o'clock. That is called predicate. However, extension of predicate after the object, the rest part of a sentence is called extension of predicate EOP. That's short form of that. For example, terrorists killed 3 people in the ground. So in this sentence, from tourists to people, that is predicate sentence, that is simple sentence. People are object with us, but in the ground, that is called extension of predicate. It's mean extension of predicate after the object. The rest part of a sentence is called EOP. People are object with us, but in the ground, that is called extension of predicate. So after object, it appears in the palm of that in the ground. That is called extension of predicate. However, alphabet from A to Z are called alphabets. For example, from A, B, C, D. Mean from A to Z are called alphabets. In addition, vowels. Vowels A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. So I hope that you have understood that. So inshallah, I will teach from basic grammar to level advance in my YouTube channel. So you should subscribe my channel. Thank you.